Earn money online from Upwork. How can I earn money from Upwork? Steps to make money from Upwork. First, the step beginner's guide. Upwork.com is a freelancing website where you get hired to do various kind of freelancing job. There are so many kind of jobs you can find at Upwork: writing, data entry, social media manager, technical writing, programming, contracts, web design, graphic design, business plan writing, translating, business planning, consulting, and numerous other. You can be in Nigeria, USA, India, South Africa, or any country at all and earn income. Table of content: why you should consider Upwork. Steps to make money from Upwork. Additional: sign up, search for job, win job bid, build your reputation, get traffic to your profile. Additional: getting paid on Upwork. Conclusion: why you should consider Upwork. If you are looking for a part-time job to complement your income, then Upwork is the place for you. Also, if you are looking to make money full-time from online, then Upwork should be one of your channel. I have seen professors, PhD holders on Upwork doing freelance job. I have also seen beginners, people with skills and no major educational background, making good income via Upwork. What matters most is your skill. If you are skilled at what you do, you will succeed. Steps to make money from Upwork. Sign up. First step is to open up an account and set up your profile. Definitely your title is key. It increases the chances of you getting hired. Choose your skills. Explain clearly what you are good at. State what people like about you as regards your skill, and you can also put a link to samples of your work so that potential clients will see. Search a job. Once you have set up a juicy, detailed, and attractive profile, your next step is to search for jobs that match your skills. You should see my job feed on the home page, which will show jobs that match your skills. If you are confused, click here to see my jobs feed. You can scroll down and see various. Win job bid. Once you have find a job that you want to go for, the next step is to bid for it. Apply for it. To win bids, you must convince the client that you are the best out of numerous people who have applied for the job. Get their attention with your pitch, and don't be too expensive for a starter. A good and convincing job pitch along with a cheaper price will give employer a valid reason to go for as a beginner instead of going for experienced and expensive freelancer. Build your reputation. On Upwork.com, what will mostly increase your chances of getting jobs are the reviews that you get from clients. This will earn your clients' attention and their trust, and help you climb up the ladder to a premium and sought after freelancer. To get good reviews, you have to be attentive to client, do good jobs, and be very responsive. Communicate always and meet deadline. Get traffic to your profile.